Good morning. I feel horrible. I stayed out till 2 a.m. and that we're up till 4. I've got the most horrible spots in the world. I've got a huge pain point on here and here. We're all packed up, ready to go. I'm just gonna have a wander around the town and then we're getting a flight back to Lima. I'm excited. Well, I found myself a hat. So, how much does your suitcase weigh, Hannah?
5 kilos.
It weighs 20.7. It's getting heavier and heavier as we speak. We are all checked in, ready to vamos. What seats have you got?
20A and B.
Ooh.
We're next door.
Ooh, fancy.
Thank you so much.
May I have your attention, please?
Oh, Danilo.
Last time we're hearing that.
Oh.
No, sorry, I'm just sulking them away. Hey guys.
Speech.
The last day, you're my last. I'm gonna have another one in 1 week. Yeah, but it's totally different. It's not a camping. I prefer the camping. It's very, very fun. More activities. You can live Galapagos in a different way. Keep traveling. The people that is traveling. Now I understand that. Because you're happy and you know everything and you want to know more things. And the people that is traveling really know about the life. Just keep in contact, keep traveling and keep safe. Thank you.
Woo!
Thank you.
Smashed
That
it.
is the door. If you need toilets before
Group
the last
hug.
part of this, there is a cafeteria and toilet. I'm gonna show you where I buy for just like my hat. I'm going to buy the same.
Aww.
Hey man.
Yeah.
Hey you. I have it too.
We tried to get everyone, but
Sorry. You give us
we missed it. See you later.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye Galapagos.
You know where it's up here.
Close to cool.
We've got a shitty empanada, passport, hats, matching t-shirts, and we're ready to leave the Galapagos. Well, not ready, but we're leaving the Galapagos, fortunately.
It would have been cool if we did actually get stuck here.
Yes.
There's worse places in the world to get stuck.
We thought we might got stuck because of the volcano and hoping that there was an ash cloud, but that didn't happen. Oh shit. Oh. But yeah, this is our plane.
It's like morning glory.
Oh, so close. So close.
Children. every time. My bag is just attracted to water. The only bag which has any valuables in somehow always gets really wet. Get a good night. We're back in Quito in McDonald's for one last family meal. Jack's dropped off because he feels ill. Jeremy's in the airport because he tried to book a flight home. The Canadian couple are at Burger King with Ollie,
Burger King.
Kristen,
Somewhere else.
Finding something awesome. Rowena left yesterday because she went diving this morning. So yeah, one last family meal. How's everyone feel about leaving Galapagos?
Sad.
Not done?
Done with the Galapagos.
You're not done with your trip yet though. And we got Macca's. Ooh. So what are you doing?
I just gotta lick the crispy onions off because the bun's a bit shit, so here we go.
Are they magic?
It's like a turtle.
Delicious.
Muy bien.